we're going through private property. On this first half of this trail, please stay in back of each other. There's nobody else out here, it's all private. Park on the road, don't pull off and try to get what's happening. These big cars are ruining our trails. They're just widening out, they're not as intimate as they used to be, they're not even near as fun.
What's happening, everybody? Nick Olson, Chupacabra Offroad, back in the desert of southern Utah. We are outside of Mount Carmel Junction. That's where we're staged for a couple days. We're doing a couple rides, being led by a local trail guru himself. Quick little stop here at the Slot Canyon. Gonna get back to it. Dunes tomorrow, Sand Hollow on Monday.
Right arm wouldn't let go.
Yeah, you think I'm gonna do that?
Yeah, exactly. Because when you let go of that thing, no.
That's cool.
Yeah, but see, this has all been formed from water and wind. That's why they say don't be in them when it rains.
Wow. This is so cool. So this first day ride, based out of Mount Carmel Junction, it's a great place to take off from. That Best Western was a nice little place. You got a restaurant, gas station, and a ton of riding right out of the front door there. So this is a cool spot. The guy talking at the beginning was our leader for the day through some of this private property. I like taking a bunch of little clips so you guys can get an idea of what the terrain looks like, how hard it is or isn't. Typical Utah, southern Utah amazingness. You got some sand, you got some really grippy rocks, a little bit of rock climbing, a little bit of everything. And this first day was awesome. You can see at the very end, I used a GPS map so you can see the total mileage and what we did. And this first half of the day was really fun. We kind of made our way towards Coral Pink Sand Dunes. And then we drove past Coral Pink over to the famous Barracks trail, which is a really, really good time. So hope you guys like the video here. Here's a little bit of taste of what the terrain is like. Weather this time of year is amazing. And a huge shout out to the Rocky Point Renegades. They are a group of really passionate off-roaders that I met on a Rocky Point ride several years ago, and they've been wanting to venture out. A lot of the people on the ride together quite a bit, but they hadn't been to southern Utah. So special thanks to Rick and Liz Cervatus, along with my parents, who are southern Utah locals, who kind of planned out this route. And this first part of this day was really exciting for me because terrain I hadn't been over before. I've been to Coral Pink several times, and always cool to check out some new stuff. And you could just ride in southern Utah forever. It's endless. So really fun time. Thanks again to the Rocky Point Renegades for having me. I think it's time for Chupacabra to organize our own ride, multi-day trip like this. I think we could do it. I need to just get into the planning mode and pick a cool destination and like this, that we could plan a multi-day trip and have another good ride. I know a lot of you guys have been asking and talking about meeting up for group rides. Maybe we can have that happen here later this year or in 2021. We'll see how it goes. So the gentleman on the quad leading us, he owns the hotel there at Mount Carmel Junction. East Zion Adventures, I think is what they're called. You can reach out to them and he can do some guided tour stuff like this if you're new to the area and just want to go check out some stuff like we were able to do here just with the locals' perspective. So we'll post a link in the description. You can hear the tires chirping. That's just that amazing traction from these rocks in Utah. They're really grippy. I think they're even more grippy in Moab, but man, get your four-wheel drive, you can climb up anything.
So we'll walk down here and set your drone up. Then I'll go back and get it.
We made it up. We went down this little valley. It's pretty technical. There's a couple good spots, and the rest of the crew is getting ready for it. So right where they're at is a pretty good little drop off. But that rock is really grippy. Well, thanks for watching. This is the conclusion of day 1. Check back soon for day 2, where we're going to explore the coral pink sand dunes. I'll be leading a little bit of the whole crew through the dune section there, and then day 3 we've trailered over to Sand Hollow to check out Sand Hollow and Warner Valley and check out some other spots I hadn't been to. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.